find the equation of the ellipse in standard form whose distance between foci is equals to 2 and the length of the lattice rectum is equal to 15 by 2. So given question is find the equation of the ellipse in the standard form. That is, we want to find the equation x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1 when a greater than b. Given the distance between foci is equals to 2 and the length of the lattice rectum is equal to 15 by 2. So first we are taking the equation of the ellipse in standard form. This is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1 when a greater than b. So given the distance between foci is equals to 2. So distance between foci is equals to formula 2ae. Given that distance between foci is equals to 2. That is distance between the foci means that is 2ae. The value of 2ae is equals to 2, then the value of ae is equals to 1. This is the diagram. So here already we know that s is equals to ae comma 0 and s dash is equals to minus ae comma 0. When the distance between these 2 points is equals to 2. Now what is the distance between these 2 points from the diagram? Ae minus of minus ae, that is ae plus ae, 2ae. The distance between the foci is 2ae. Given that value is equals to 2, then the value of ae is equals to 1. And also given that length of the lattice rectum is equal to 15 by 2. Length of lattice rectum is equals to 15 by 2. So length of the lattice rectum in the standard form, then the formula is 2b square by a. So given that 2b square by a is equals to 15 by 2, which implies the value of 4b square is equals to 15a. And here, so here x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1, a greater than b. In this case, we take the value of b square is equals to a square into 1 minus a square. Now we are replacing that value in place of b square here, that is 4 into a square into 1 minus a square is equals to 15a, which implies 4a square minus 4a square is equals to 15a, which implies 4a square minus 4 into a square. Already here we have that a is equals to 1, then the value of a square is also equals to 1. 4 into 1 equals to 15a, which implies 4a square minus 15a minus 4 equals to 0. By taking the factorization to this equation, we can find the value of a. So the factors are here 4a square minus 16a plus a minus 4 equals to 0. Which implies taking 4a common here, this is 4a into a minus 4 plus 1 into a minus 4 equals to 0. That is a minus 4 into 4a plus 1 equals to 0, which implies the value of a is equals to 4 and the value of a is equals to minus 1 by 4, and this is not taken since this is negative number and which is a fraction. We take the value of a is equals to 4 only. Now we are replacing this value in the equation 4b square is equals to 15a. Now taking the equation 4b square is equals to 15a and replacing the value of a here, 4b square is equals to 15 into 4. Then the value of b square is equals to 15. Therefore, equation of ellipse. Now we are replacing these two values in the equation of ellipse. Equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. Now replacing the values, x square by a is equals to 4, a square 16 plus b square is equals to 15 equals to 1. That's all. This is the required answer. This problem, find the equation of the ellipse in the standard form such that the distance between foci is 8 and the distance between the directrices is 32. Find the equation of the ellipse in the standard form. Here also we are finding the equation of the ellipse in standard form. Now this is the diagram of the ellipse. So given the distance between foci is equals to 8, s comma s dash, these are the foci points, distance between them. That is already this point is equals to a comma 0, this point is equals to a comma 0 and this is minus a comma 0. So clearly the distance between these 2 points is equals to 2ae. And also given that the distance between the directrices is equals to, distance between these two lines is equals to 32. This is y-axis. So distance between y-axis and this line is equals to a by e, and the distance between y-axis and this line is equals to a by e. Therefore, the distance between the two directrices is equals to a by e plus a by e, that is 2a by e. So given the distance between the directrices is 32, that is 2 into a by e is equal to 32, and the distance between the foci is equals to 8, that is 2ae is equals to 2. By using these two values, we can find the equation of the ellipse. So first we take the equation of the ellipse. Let the equation of ellipse be x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1, a greater than b. Since given that it is the standard form, so we are taking the a greater than b. And given the distance between foci is equals to 8. Distance between foci is equals to 8. What is the distance between the foci to AE? That is 2AE equals to 8, which implies the value of AE is equals to 4. And also given the distance between diaphyses is equal to 32. Distance between diaphyses is equals to 32. What is distance between the diaphyses value? 2 into A by E. That is 2A by E is equals to 32, which implies the value of A by E is equals to 16. Now we are multiplying these two values here. These two values, AE into A by E is equals to 4 into 16. That is, A square is equals to 64 and the value of A is equals to 8. Now we want the value of B. Now we are finding the value of B by using the formula B square is equals to A square into 1 minus A square. And this is A square minus A square E square, which is equals to A square. What is A square value? 64 minus A square. Already we have that A is equals to 4. Then A square is equal to 16. Therefore the value of B square is equals to 48. Therefore equation of ellipses x square by A square plus y square by B square equals to 1. Therefore the answer is x square by 64 plus y square by 48 equals to 1. That's all. Next problem, find the eccentricity of the ellipse in standard form if its length of the lattice rectum is equals to half of its major axis. So find the eccentricity. We want to find the eccentricity value given that the ellipse in the standard form. So first we take the equation of ellipse here, that equation of ellipse B. We take the standard form equation, that is x square by A square plus y square by B square equals to 1 where A greater than B. Since clearly given that it is standard form. Given condition is length of the lattice rectum is equals to half of its major axis. So given condition is length of lattice rectum is equals to half of its major axis, half into major axis. So length of lattice rectum is equals to half, 1 by 2 into major axis. What is length of lattice rectum in standard form? 2b square by A. So 2b square by A is equals to half into what is the length of major axis in standard form? 2A. Which implies by taking the cross product we get 2b square is equals to A square, and what is B square value? B square is equals to A square into 1 minus A square. This is the value in standard form. This is the formula. B square is equals to here A square into 1 minus E square. Now we want the value of E here, which implies 1 minus A square is equals to 1 by 2. That is 1 minus 1 by 2 is equals to E square. Then E square is equals to 1 by 2 and the value of E is equals to 1 by root 2. That's all. This is the required answer. If the length of the major axis of an ellipse is 3 times the length of its minor axis, then find the eccentricity of the ellipse. So given that length of the major axis is equals to 3 times its length of the minor axis. So here we can take any of the ellipse equation. So here first we take the equation of the ellipse in standard form. That equation of ellipse B, x square by A square plus y square by B square equals to 1 when A greater than B. So given condition, next we are writing the given condition. What is given? Length of the major axis is equals to length of major axis is equals to 3 times the length of the minor axis. 3 times 3 into 3 into length of minor axis. What is length of major axis? 2a. 2a is equals to 3 into length of minor axis is equals to 2b. That is a is equals to 3b. Now squaring on both sides we get a square is equals to 9b square. And what is b square value? A square into 1 minus c square, which implies 1 by 9 is equals to 1 minus c square. This is 1. 1 by 9 is equals to 1 minus c square. And e square is equals to 1 minus 1 by 9, which is 8 by 9. Therefore, the value of e is equals to root 8 by 9. What is root 8? 2 root 2. By root 9 is equals to 3. Therefore, eccentricity is equals to 2 root 2 by 3. That's all. Next problem, find the equation of the ellipse in standard form if it passes through the points minus 2 comma 2 and 3 comma minus 1. Find the equation of the ellipse. We want to find the equation of the ellipse. We can take any of the formula. So here we take the formula that equation of ellipse be x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1, a greater than b. Given that the ellipse passes through the points minus 2 comma 2 and 3 comma minus 1. So first we substitute the first point. Since it passes through the point minus 2 comma 2, we replace this point in the ellipse equation, that is in place of x comma y we take minus 2 comma 2, that is minus 2 whole square 4 by a square plus 2 square 4 by b square is equals to 1, which implies, taking LCM, 4b square plus 4a square by a square b square equals to 1. That is 4b square plus 4a square is equals to a square b square. Say equation 1. We take this equation as the first equation. Again we replace the second point since it passes through. 3 comma minus 1. We are substituting this point in the ellipse equation. In place of x we write 3. X square 3 square 9 by a square plus y square minus 1 whole square, that is 1 by b square equals to 1. Taking LCM we get 9b square plus a square by a square into b square equals to 1, which implies 9b square plus a square is equals to a square into b square. Equation 2. Now from equations 1 and 2, this is a square b square value and this is a square b square value. Equating these two values, equating these two left hand side values, that is 4b square plus 4a square is equals to 9b square plus a square, which implies 4a square minus a square, that is 3a square is equals to 9b square minus 4b square, 5b square, which implies the value of b square is equals to 3a square by 5. Now we are substituting this value in any one of the equations 1 or 2. That is 4 into b square. B square value 3a square by 5 plus 4a square is equals to a square into, again this is b square, that is 3a square by 5. Now the term a square cancellation, which implies we get the terms 12 by 5 plus 4 is equals to 3a square by 5, which implies 20 plus 12, 32 by 5 is equals to 3a square by 5. Therefore, the value of a square is equals to 32 by 3. Now, we are replacing this value in that equation. So, already we have that there b square is equals to 3a square by 5 and this is equals to 3 into a square value 32 by 3 by 5 equals to 32 by 5. Now we are substituting these two values in the equation of the ellipse. Therefore, equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. Now we are substituting the values here. X square by 32 by 3 plus y square by 32 by 5 equals to 1, which implies 3x square by 32 plus 5y square by 32 equals to 1. Taking LCM we get the answer 3x square plus 5y square by 32 equals to 1. Therefore the equation of ellipse is 3x square plus 5y square equals to 32. That's all. Next problem, if the ends of major axis of an ellipse are 5, 0 and minus 5, 0 and find the equation of the ellipse in the standard form if its focus lies on the line 3x minus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. So given that ends of the major axis of an ellipse 5, 0 minus 5, 0, find the equation of the ellipse in the standard form. Means we have to find the equation of the ellipse in the standard form. Means first we are taking the standard form diagram here. This is the diagram. Given that the endpoints are 5, 0 and minus 5, 0 is given that the point A is equal to 5, 0 and A dash is equals to minus 5, 0. What are the endpoints? Already we know that endpoint means this A, 0 and this is minus A, 0. That is clearly given that here A is equals to 5. And also given that focus lies on the line 3x minus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. So first we take the focus. This is the focus. The coordinates is equals to a, 0. Given that focus lies on the line, we can take any of the foci points, either S point or S dash point. means we are replacing this point in the given equation to get the value of e, and after that we are finding the value of b square by using the formula b square is equals to a square into 1 minus a square. Already clearly given that here a is equals to 5. By replacing this point in the line equation, we can get the value of e. After that we will find the value of b by using the formula b square is equals to a square into 1 minus a square. So first we take the equation of the ellipse in standard form, that is, let equation of ellipse be. Let equation of ellipse be x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1, a greater than b. Given that a is equals to 5, 0 and a dash is equals to minus 5, 0. Therefore, a is equals to 5, which implies this is nothing but a, 0. This is nothing but a, 0 and this is minus a, 0. So, from this point clearly we can take that a is equals to 5, and also given that focus lies on the line 3x minus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. What is focus? Focus means we take that s is equals to a, 0. We can take either s is equals to a, 0 or s dash is equals to minus a, 0. Now we take here s is equals to a, 0. Now replacing that point in this equation, then we get 3ae minus 5 into 0 minus 9 equal to 0. That is 3ae equals to 9. Then the value of a is equals to 3. And already here we have that a is equals to 5, that is 5e is equals to 3, which implies the value of e is equals to 3 by 5. The value of b square by using the formula b square is equals to a square into 1 minus a square. Here a is equals to 5, then a square is equals to 25 into 1 minus, this is 9 by 25. Now taking LCM, we get the value 25 into 25 minus 9. 16. 16 by 25 equals to 16. Therefore, equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. That is x square by a square 25 plus y square by 16 equals to 1. That's all.